By using JRA's proven methods, I'm at the point where we're starting to develop systems where the business can operate with me not as involved into the day-to-day operations, and as we expand, we have systems in place to be able to do that effectively. My name's Tucker. I own Black Diamond Junk Removal. We're up in Cleveland, Ohio, and we've been in business about 8 months. So in terms of the JRA services we use, backup call center, SEO, our website's hosted by JRA, they run a Google Ads campaign, also the business package, but it's been really helpful. It eliminates a lot of the day-to-day marketing and other aspects of the business that would be on me as a business owner. It puts that into trusted advisors to handle that know what they're doing, where it frees me up to focus on truck operations and business development and more local aspects of the business. I was a business package client. When I went down to North Carolina, getting that support from Christian that really dug deep into the operations and his slideshows was really helpful. JRA's been a great partner since our business started and as we've grown. So without JRA, it would be a lot more fragmented. I would be maybe talking to several different people, one for Google Ads, one for web design. It wouldn't be cohesive the way JRA is, and it's also one point of contact to talk to people when you need stuff done. It would also be much more time consuming if I wasn't using JRA to be able to get the same amount of work done. The most helpful feature of the business package has been all the guidance I've received. The video training series before I started really made me more comfortable with opening the business. I had never worked on a junk removal truck. It's been really good to spend a day in the truck to know what to expect before we ever open. Since the beginning, people have always remarked that our business, they ask if it's a franchise. We always chuckle and tell them no. Our trucks, people see them on the road, they look great, they're built by JRA. My grandmother's the biggest fan. She always texts me when she sees our truck saying, "Oh, I saw a truck here and here," which is always fun to get those messages. The brand's super recognizable. People always think we're a franchise, but we're an independent business.